Yes, how are you doing, sir?
I'm fine, man. How are you?
Not so good. I'm a little worried about my computer. I think it may
What
have,
problem you are facing?
well, I originally um, had some kind of pop-up that said my computer had been blocked, and
Okay.
now I'm seeing all kind of like, then I went on to my merry way with, searching the internet. I was able to close my computer out, and then all of a sudden, I'm seeing. I was then me and my girlfriend. We went. Our usual night. We usually go to some porn websites together, and then all of a sudden, we started getting bad videos started popping up. All of a sudden, and we're not able to get them to go away on the computer. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm so sorry.
So
I'm here.
I'm just trying to figure out what does that mean? Because I mean, like, I can't afford. Do you want to speak to my girlfriend? She's a lot better with computers. Like, this is really
I know that.
upsetting me. This is really upsetting
I
me.
understand.
I'm
I
getting
understand
really
that.
overwhelmed. I just don't know if I can handle it anymore.
Okay.
So let me. You just
Yeah.
you can speak with her, okay? I'm gonna let you speak with her.
Yeah.
All right, honey. Do you want to come to the phone and speak with this gentleman?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Okay.
Tell
Hi,
him what happened to the computer.
hi there.
Hello.
Hi, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can hear you properly.
Good, good. You see, we were on the computer having our, normal Friday night date night, and we've got these awful pop-ups on the screen, and they're just playing these adult sounds, and oh, I don't know where it came from, but I mean, we've got to get rid of it.
Okay. The thing is that, as you said, you are watching phones on this computer. That you understand the phone websites are not secure at all. There are malicious softwares or carrying some virus or the infection. While you're watching these kind of websites, you're actually allowing the access of the.
Oh no, there goes that pop-up again. Can you try to shut that down, honey?
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Oh my God, what are they doing? I've never seen anything like that.
I'm trying. I can't get the pop-up to shut down. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh no, honey, just shut the computer down. We gotta get that to stop.
I'm so sorry. It's just that sex
It's
image just
alright.
popped
It's
up
alright.
again.
It's alright, sweetheart. You relax. Just relax. Have another drink. It'll be okay. I'm sorry. You were talking about going to the porn sites was bad.
No, no, I'm not saying it's bad. I'm saying that some websites are not secure at all. So whenever you get on these websites, you actually allowing the access of a spyware or a malware or the weak server.
Oh dear. Oh no, it's that noise again. Oh goodness.
Oh, I can't shut
Oh.
it off.
Oh honey, just turn the volume down. It's okay. This nice man's gonna fix it for us.
What is this awful sound behind your back?
We're getting this terrible adult pop-up on the screen. People are doing all kinds of stuff. Can't even begin to imagine what they're doing.
Honey, honey, tell them what they're doing.
Oh well, I don't even know how to I don't even know what that is. He's got his. Oh my.
Understand there is an awful sound coming behind your back. Can you please stop that sound?
Well, that's the computer. That's what we're trying to make it stop doing.
It's porn videos. We can't make it stop.
These adult videos keep coming up on the screen. We were just trying to watch a. We were just trying to watch a little decent porn, but this stuff that's coming up is scary.
If we do that, and it's like almost like somebody's taking over the network. It's like
It's
as
like
soon
we've
as
been
we do
hacked or
that,
something.
yeah, it's crazy.
answer. Do you want me to fix your computer? Yes
Yes,
or no?
Oh,
absolutely. We
please,
want this
please, you've got to help
resolved.
us.
Yes.
In order to do that, please follow my instructions on your keyboard. Okay?
Okay, we'll try.
On your keyboard, bottom left, you're having a window key, four little squares. Do you see that key?
Oh, yeah, I see it down there. I see it. Honey, move that dildo out of the way. I can't see all the keys.
Press the window key and the letter R.
Okay.
Now, do you see a run box appear on the screen?
I
The name
sure,
of the
yeah,
program?
yeah, I see that.
Now type in the lowercase without any space. I explore. I-E-X.
Okay, I explore, right?
R-E.
R-E. Okay. All right, I got that.
Now give, now give it a space and type www dot.
Oh, 1 second. Move these panties off the keyboard. www dot
helpme.net.
helpme.net. Ooh, that sounds kinky. All right.
Now click on OK.
All right, I clicked on OK.
Now do you see a page called Establish Support Connection?
Oh, yeah, I do, actually.
Please type your name, your first and last name, and I will provide you support key.
Okay, all right. Honey, type our name in there. Type both of our names in there. Make it cute.
All right. I'll type in Stephanie and Victoria Holden. Ooh,
Ooh,
yeah.
that's cute. Yeah, I like that. Type that in.
Yeah, that's very sexy. Oh yeah.
Now type the support key.
Oh, hold on. I have to write that down because I'm probably gonna forget it now. Hold on.
Sweetheart, you can't put little hearts over the eyes on the computer. You know that doesn't work. Just type the names in there.
All right, all right, all right. Just all right. So you want me to write the numbers? All right, numbers or whatever.
It's
Just tell me
422
4, 2, and 2,
457
4, 5, 7,
161.
1, 6, 1.
Now continue.
Can I repeat it? Can I repeat it to you just to make sure that I got it right, sir?
Yeah, please go ahead.
It's 422 4, 5, 7, 161. Is that right,
Now
sir?
approve the session. Approve the session.
Oh, you are so smart, baby.
All right. I think I've got that. And now what? Now whatever.
Thank you.
Uh,
Now, do you see my mouse is moving on your screen?
Oh, look at that. It's moving all over the place by
oh my God!
itself.
I feel so smart.
Oh, wow.
Thank you for your support and understanding. Now I'm going to begin my work, and whatever I'm doing in the screen only, you can see also. Okay?
Thank you. Thank
Okay?
you.
Well,
You're
come,
welcome. So
come over here and sit on my lap and let's watch him work
I
on it.
think I'm gonna cry. I'm just so thankful.
Come on, sit over here, sweetie. We'll watch him do this together.
Okay. And you basically use this computer for a personal use or professional use?
No, personal.
Very
Yeah,
personal use.
Okay. On which browser you received that block message? On the Explorer?
Oh gosh, I don't even know, honey. Where do we?
Oh, I don't know, was it in Chrome? I don't even remember. It was just so crazy. We were just lost in the moment. I wasn't even paying attention.
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, we're here. We're still here.
I'm seeing on the computer that there is a no block message on your system. Okay, this one.
But wait, those pop-ups might come back. That's what we're scared of.
We keep closing them out.
Okay.
We had to do. We did what one of my friends recommended is we delete my history. So that's what we did. What we did. is what I want to delete in my history. I did it, but the damn thing keeps coming up.
Am I speaking with Stephanie or Victoria?
Both of
Oh,
us.
you got both of us, hon.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. What I do, I'm going to check your security system is working or not. So let's see what happens, okay?
Please scan it. Just do whatever you need to do on this.
Please, you got to do whatever you need to do. We got to get it back to our date night as soon as possible.
We're horny as hell over here.
Yeah,
We just
sure.
want to get it on.
Thank you. Yeah, sure, ma'am. As you can see, your distant network is totally being damaged. That's why your network security is showing you a 0%. And your CPU is working with a speed of 25% and 35% memory lapse. But your disk and network is totally being damaged because of this suspicious activity on your computer.
Oh, my
Oh,
God.
no. How did that
So we
happen?
need to install a new disk and a network security in your computer. And the most important thing, the services which is provided you by the Microsoft company is already had been stopped. Do you see that?
Oh, no.
Oh, my God, I do.
Is that bad?
All
That
the
doesn't
services
look
have
like
been
it's...
stopped in your computer. And the
Oh,
most important, your software protection has been stopped, which is the most important part of your computer.
oh, goodness. Well, how did...
Oh,
Do you
my
see that?
God. Yeah, I do. I can't
Is there
believe
someone
it.
on our
I'm sick about
computer?
this.
Is there someone
And
connected
the
to our
most
computer
important
doing
thing,
this?
your Windows Defender services, it has to work as a high, but right now it's working as a very low because your spyware is shut down all the security systems and sending all your information to the hackers so they can use your information for
Do you think they got our personal photos?
or criminal activity around social activities.
Oh,
Do you think
no.
they got a hold of our personal photos?
Oh, God, no.
Oh. Oh, not the pictures of our anniversary. Oh, I'll die if anybody sees those.
Don't worry,
Oh,
it's
God.
computer. will
We
install
look
them.
so
I just
sexy.
want to know
Oh.
how old your computer is.
Oh,
Oh, it's
God.
only about a year old, isn't it?
Oh, it's pretty new.
Yeah, we haven't had it very long.
Ma'am, I'm asking how old your computer is when you bought this computer.
Well, it's about a year
Yeah.
old.
Okay. So right now I'm checking. Okay. So right now you downloaded 376 infected files in your computer.
Oh, no. Oh,
Oh,
my,
God.
I'm still worried about those pictures. If those get out, we are just going to be in so much trouble.
Oh, my
And the
God.
last infected files you download is around 10:38 p.m. 48 seconds, just a few moments ago, when you're watching your porn video.
Oh, my goodness. We were just trying to have a little innocent fun.
So we need to remove all this infection. And most important thing, your system has been compromised. I will show you how it happened.
Oh, my God. I just know those pictures have gotten out somehow. Someone's going to see those and they're going to know it was us, even though we had masks on through most of them.
Hello, ma'am. Do you see these active connections on your computer?
Yes.
Oh, no.
From the local addresses, and they are from the foreign addresses. These are the different computer IP addresses that are connecting with your computer right now, and they are more than 10.
You mean there's a whole bunch of people connected to our computer right now?
Yeah, except you
Oh,
and
my
me.
God. Turn the webcam off. Turn the webcam off.
Maybe people are looking at our naked now.
And that's why Microsoft blocked your computer to prevent the further damage. Because these are the different computer IDs that are connecting with your computer. As you can see, that is the 49722, 23, 44, 64, 65. All these computer IDs was going to connect with your computer IP address.
Oh, my God. Can you make them stop?
Yes, we already make them stop because right now you're connecting with a Microsoft secure server. So everything hacking activity is going to stop in your computer for a moment.
Oh, you've got to fix this for us, and you got to fix it quickly.
Sure. Just give me a moment.
Oh my God! If our parents ever saw those pictures, oh my God.
So we'd be in trouble big time.
I'd lose my job at the church for sure.
And the most important thing, your system is out of the warranty. As you can see that by yourself, You bought this computer on 2015, right?
Well, we did buy it used from a friend of ours, so I don't know how long he had it.
Okay, that means the computer is totally out of the warranty, and there is a no maintenance services in this computer, and that's why you are having this much of trouble. When was the last time you take your computer for the maintenance and services?
Oh gosh,
No,
do we do that at all?
never.
No, I guess we haven't.
All the Windows services have been stopped here.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that just sounds so terrible. How could we have let something like that happen?
I don't know.
And it's showing a critical because the network security is not supporting your system because you're having a 300 infected files in your computer.
Oh my
And that's why
god.
the Windows services have been stopped in your computer and they are not working at all. Because the system is totally been infected.
Don't cry,
with
honey. Don't cry. It's okay. It's there.
I'm
It's
just
okay.
so upset.
So come here. It's okay, baby. Don't worry about it. He's gonna fix it for us, okay?
I'm just so upset.
Hello?
I know
Yeah.
it's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, sir. She's just getting a little bit upset about this. This computer means a whole lot to her, and she just gets so emotional sometimes.
Don't cry.
Oh,
Stephanie, please don't cry. I will fix your computer, okay?
okay.
He's gonna take care of it for us. It's okay. There.
I'm just so upset. Let's just lose everything.
Oh,
All the family pictures. Oh my god.
Baby, you go
What
pour.
about the kids? What about the kids? Oh my
Baby, you go pour yourself a nice stiff drink and go relax, okay?
okay,
You just go
okay.
get yourself a nice big drink and come back here and sit down while this nice man fixes it for us.
Okay.
Hello,
Okay.
Reggie. Hello? Stephanie?
Stephanie had to step away for a minute. She's a little upset right now.
It's okay, but the problem is not only your Windows services, but also your Microsoft Corporation services have been stopped.
Oh my. All right. Well, what do we need to do to fix this?
You don't need to do anything. I'm going to assign a senior technician who is going to take care of your computer and will fix all the
That's good.
computers without any problem.
Oh, and it's gonna be like an actual like Microsoft technician is gonna fix it for us.
Yeah, it's a Microsoft certified technician and all the service documents will be
Oh.
sent to your email ID as a legal proof that you got the services from the Microsoft certified technician.
Oh, great. Baby, they're going to get a Microsoft certified technician to fix this for us. See? It's going to be okay.
I mean, does he know how much it's gonna cost?
Oh, shush for a minute, honey. We haven't made it that far yet. He's just telling us how great the people are that are going to work on it and what a good job they're going to do.
Just worry. You know how I am. I worry about everything.
Sweetheart, they're from Microsoft. They are the best in the whole world, and they're going to fix it for us.
I know. You know, I just worry about everything. You know me.
I know. Come here. Just come over here and sit down with me. It'll be okay.
Oh, I just always worry.
Devil's relaying the VM does.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Just give me a moment.
So
Can you please click on this one, the first line?
Okay.
It's not opening, right? I will do it for you. Just give me a moment.
No, it's not opening.
Oh, it's probably those hackers. Oh my god. I can't believe something like this happened to us. I keep fading my southern accent in and out too much, don't I?
So this is a Microsoft professional support website I opened for you, so you can look for the prices.
Okay.
You can see that it's written over there. Professional support is available as a single pay per incident or a 5 of incident. Professional support incident focus on a troubleshooting a specific problem or error message that is not functionally working as intended for Microsoft products. An incident is defined as a single support issue and a reasonable effort to resolve it. Incident should be submitted online or either response time between 2 to 8 hours, depending on the severity of incident. Professional support single incident price is $499, and for 5 years is at $1,999.
Oh, wow.
But I think that you are not able to afford this because the price is very high. But first of all, I want to know that you are looking for the expensive professional support or the cheaper one.
Oh my, that just seems like so much money. Couldn't couldn't we just maybe buy another computer instead and get rid of this problem?
That's true. We could probably just buy another
The thing
computer.
is
Just
that
throw it
you can
out.
buy as many because I want to tell you, you can buy as many computer as you wanted. Because buying a computer or buying a security is totally different thing. It's just like you buying $1 million house, but there is nothing to for secure that $1 million house. Then anybody can trespass in your property. Exactly happened with the same computer. You're having a great computer, but not great security. That's why you're facing this problem. And we are providing you security according to the years. So you don't need to worry about it. You always have a technician for your side. If you have any problem with 2 year, 1 year, or 3 year, whatever the plan you are going to choose, the technician always there for you to help you out in the problem.
I mean,
Okay?
someone's gonna be there anytime we need it, like even if it's happened on like Christmas Day or something.
Even if it's a 3 a.m., if it's even Christmas, when it's a 4th July, anything, you can contact us 365 days, 24/7.
Wow, that's amazing. That sounds so good. And this is never gonna happen again if we get your services.
No, it's never going to happen again because you get all the service documents updated on your register email ID as a legal proof that you bought the service from us.
Wow,
And
honey,
you
that would be
protect
great.
the
We would never have to look at those pop-ups again. Wow. We should totally do this, I think.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I agree.
We can't we can't have hackers on our network. We just can't risk our personal information getting out. We live in a small town, and if people knew what we were up to, oh my God, it would be so terrible.
Yeah, I agree
I'm
with you on
I'm
that.
not even acting very well right now.
So tell me which one you want. I assign you for the expensive plan or for the cheaper one.
Honey, what do you want?
Oh gosh, it just seems like so much money though. Maybe there's like a new customer discount or something that we could get.
Yeah, baby, do you think you can give us a new customer discount?
Okay. Okay, guys, I will do one thing for you. I'll provide you a plan with a discount as well. Okay?
Yes. What would that price be?
Just give me a moment. Let me provide you my information. So in future, if you guys need any help, you can contact me anytime. Okay?
We can contact you personally anytime we need a technician.
Oh,
Yeah, this
that's
is
fine.
my information. If you need any help anytime, you can contact me without any problem. This is my extension number.
We
Okay?
we can call you for each and everything that happens.
Oh, thank you,
Yeah, each and everything.
Jesus. Great.
And these are the prices I'll show you, and it will help you out to understand. These are the expensive plus cheaper one as well, because all the prices are coming with a warranty and 100% refund policy and 24/7 tax support. Okay? Hello, are you there, ma'am?
I'm
Yeah,
listening, sir.
yeah, we're here. We're just looking at those prices and it's like, oh my goodness. I mean, Stephanie does nails and I work in a church and we just don't have very much money at all.
So we
It's
want
okay,
this.
ma'am. That's why we are providing you a cheaper plan with a good quality. So you can also have the same facilities that you have with expensive plans. So you can choose according to your budget. Okay?
Thank you so much. You're a godsend.
You're welcome. 1 year tech support is providing you security for a 1 year tech support and warranty and 100% refund policy and 24/7 tech support which coming with all the plans. Okay? The only difference is about the money and the time period. It costs around the 199 for 99. 2 years is cost around 289 for 99. And if I provide you discount in this, it costs around 249 for 99. And the premium plan is cost around the 389 for 99 because it's a transferable security to your two devices. If in future you are going to buy any other new laptop or tablet or iPhone, you can contact us and we transfer the security to your two devices. So in a price of a one, you are going to secure your three devices for the next 3 years. And the 4 year is the Emerald plan, which is a very constant one. It's a 469 for 99 for the next 1 year. SSL encryption matlab is a super senior level of encryption. That means nobody can access your computer without your, and it's a transferable security for 4 devices. So now tell me, which one suits your budget?
Honey,
We,
what do you think?
we've got to protect the stuff that's on this computer. We just can't risk any hackers or anything getting in here. It seems like an awful lot of money, but I don't know. I think we're going to have to go with their best plan. I mean, we would just be ruined if those photos got out, especially those photos of our anniversary. Oh my goodness.
Well, I definitely we
I,
should just go for the 4 year, 460.
yeah, it's gonna be hard. We're gonna have to cut down on the number of bras and panties we buy this year, but we'll manage.
So you guys go on to go for the 4 year plan?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, I think we want to do that.
Okay, so let me register you with the 4 year plan, and I need your few information because I need to prepare your service document. So I need to print that information in your client agreement copy, in your WIP, in your invoice bill copy, and your unique customer ID as well. So please guys take the control of mouse and keyboard and fill this information by yourself.
Okay.
Thank you. And provide us the best contact number and the email ID so in touch with you.
All right, I'm typing it out. Just slowly but carefully. Want to make sure everything goes right.
Oh, you're gonna use your email? That's fine.
Yeah, baby.
Just make sure you don't accidentally give them the one to our newsletter. That would be embarrassing too.
Oh, I'm so sorry. That would be really bad.
Sorry, sir. We live in a small town, and oh my God, the people here are just so
Prudish.
uptight.
Prudish. They don't like sex.
Oh, if they knew that we were looking at these nasty websites, they would. Oh my goodness.
Can I tell you one thing?
Yeah?
I'm really proud of you too. That you are example of a true love.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, when you find true love, you gotta stick with it, you know?
Oh yeah.
Is it done now?
I think, honey, did you finish typing? Okay, we're done.
Okay, did you get all that? Oh, I'm just so upset over this whole computer problem with the hackers in there. I'm still worried about those pictures.
I hope we can recover some. I hope we can recover some of those pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe we can send him one after he fixes this as a way of saying thank you.
Yeah, I'm highlighting the information for you. Please check once again the information is correct or not.
Oh, yeah, it's correct.
Okay, thank you for the information. Now, please tell me which card you are using for the payment. So Visa or Master?
I don't know. You want me to grab my purse, honey, and get one for you?
Citibank MasterCard. Citibank MasterCard. I always say that wrong. I can't speak.
And it's so cute the way you keep mispronouncing it.
I'm sorry. I think I've had a little too many to drinks tonight. This has kind of pushed me over the edge.
You are looking a little woozy. We're going to have to get you right back to bed after this.
So we can have some fun, right?
Okay, I'm opening a secure payment gateway merchant. You can do the payment yourself, okay? Hello, are you there,
So
ma'am?
sweet
Yes,
to
yes,
us.
sir. I'm here.
Okay.
As I said, I'm a little drunk, so you know, if I get a little quiet,
No, it's okay.
I'm still there.
She's just a little party girl sometimes.
This whole thing has gotten me a little drunk, if you know what I'm saying.
So you can check the information I'm typing here. Please leave your mouse and keyboard, please.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
Just give me a moment, please. Leave your mouse and keyboard.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Thank you.
Man,
So
you know,
this is the best phone number to contact.
okay. Yeah, yes. You know, we could have had phone sex and we could have decreased the price by like $100.
I still think we should send him some of those pictures, if you know what I mean.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still here.
I request you please fill this registration form by.
Say that again, sir?
Please fill this registration form because the screen has been due to a security reason. So you are the only person who can see and work on the screen.
Who's what? Does the hackers block something?
No. Nobody blocked something. I said, please fill your information by yourself and do not speak on the call. This is the recorded line. Okay?
You don't want me to speak?
Want me to put a gag in her mouth to keep her quiet?
You don't want me to speak on the call? Even though I'm paying you $479?
I said, please do not speak on the call your personal information because this is a recorded line for the training purposes.
Just get and type the information in there, but try to keep the numbers to yourself.
Don't say the, like, Visa number or Citibank number out loud. I wasn't going to send it out. Let's say it out loud.
You can fill your cell phone number, your mobile number there. Can I do it for you?
Yeah. I'm really confused on what the problem is.
Oh, you've said too much to drink, you silly girl.
Sorry, I'm just so confused. I just don't understand. I'm so
Oh,
sorry.
shh. It's all right. It's okay.
He's getting me in trouble. I don't even understand. He's telling me it's a recorded line.
It's okay. It's okay. You've performed on camera before. It's the same thing.
I don't even know.
You're not amused? You don't care.
And what will be your security question, guys?
I'm sorry, sir. What was that?
What is your security question? You need to select your security question.
Oh, you just go ahead and make something up, honey. What's our favorite movie?
Oh. Let's do Pirates of the Caribbean.
What is the answer?
You want to do Pirates of the Caribbean?
I don't know. Let me think for a minute. What's our favorite
You know what
movie?
that stands for.
Oh, let me think for a minute. What is our favorite movie?
This is my favorite movie too.
Why don't we go with that one if it's his favorite movie too, since he's been so sweet to us.
Okay. So just give me a moment. So check all the information is correct and not. What is the state? Georgia. Okay. Now please go ahead and station date and the CVV and do not speak on the call.
Oh, okay. I will not speak. Thank you for informing me.
I'll put something over her mouth to keep her quiet.
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Yeah, we're still here.
I can't speak, remember?
She's got something in her mouth right now.
Told me not to speak for training purposes. I don't want to get in trouble. Can I speak yet?
I don't know.
Are you guys there?
I don't know. Can I
Yeah,
speak now?
Will you answer his question? We're here. You told her not to speak, so she's just sitting there quiet as a mouse.
Well, can I speak? You told me I couldn't
Hello?
speak. You told me I
Hello,
couldn't
Stephanie,
speak.
are you there?
We're
Yeah,
here.
can
We're
I?
here.
Yes, you can speak, but right now I would like to request you I transfer your call to my billing manager so he will approve the payment and then we are going to install a security in your computer, okay?
Oh, okay.
Wow. Thanks so much, sweetie. You've been terrific.
Okay. Thank
Now, just
you.
give me a moment.
He was just the nicest man, wasn't he?
Oh, yeah, so sweet.
We should send him some pictures later.
Yes. Hello?
Okay, ma'am. Hello, ma'am, are you there?
Yes.
I'm transferring your call to one of my billing managers so he will approve the payment, okay?
Oh, bless you.
Oh,
Thank you.
wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you for holding the line. This is Adam from the billing. How are you doing today?
Well, hello there, Adam.
Huh,
I'm doing fine. How are you doing today?
not so
Oh,
good.
we're going to be a whole lot better once this computer problem gets taken care of.
Okay. Well, I'll just take 30 seconds to verify the information that you have given and then we'll do the rest of the work.
Well, Adam, just one quick question. Adam, can you answer a question for me?
Yeah, please.
How come you're a piece of shit scammer that just tried to scam us? Beautiful, beautiful lesbian women. You're a piece of shit. You're a piece of shit scammer that just tried to scam me. There's not a damn thing wrong with that virtual machine. You guys didn't even figure it out. You guys are such fucking imbeciles. You're fucking pieces of shit. You're fucking beggars. You didn't even know it was a damn VM, did you? Adam. Pieces of shit, Adam.
Thieves. Thieves.
He didn't even see a problem on the screen and told us he knew what it was and he's going to charge us hundreds of dollars to fix it. Come on.
Adam, you're a piece of shit.
You're a terrible, terrible human being.
Scum.
Thief.
Fuck you.
Do you rob Indian people too?
They rob everybody. They don't care.
Do you steal from your mother?
Fuck you, Adam.
Do you steal from your sister?
The card is fake. Fuck you, Adam. We wasted your
Get
time.
a real job.
The
Do
card
some
is as
math.
real as your support is.
Do some math.
Middle fingers. 2 middle fingers.
But we wasted 40 minutes of your time, so it's all been good. It's been worth it.
Do some math. Learn how to do math. Be a true Indian. Make India proud.
Get a real job, man. If you were shining shoes, we'd have more respect for you.
Good, yeah.
Oh, he ran away.
I think
he
he's
ran.
gone. Boo.
He be gone. He be gone. And another one bites the dust.
Good.
Damn, man.
Good job, ladies. Good job.
I couldn't believe.
That was hysterical. I'm sorry.
I could not believe the initial price quote. Really, could not believe it.
You know, I thought when he said, "Can I say something?" I thought we were so busted at that moment.
Yeah, I know. That was really shocking. I was a little freaked by that. I didn't know where he was going with that.
Excellent job. Thank you, Donald G, for the use of your VM.
Yeah, thank you, Don.
Oh, yeah.
That was crazy. Wow. I couldn't believe that first price. Was it like over $1,000?
It was something like $2,000 for a couple of hours of work. Yeah.
And then originally, didn't he say there was nothing wrong with the computer? And then he scanned the computer and he said, "Oh yeah, you definitely got it."
He scanned the computer.
What happens to the people who really have a problem, and then they're not fixing it because they don't know how to fix anything?
No, they're still stuck. They still have a problem, and they're out thousands of bucks in the process.
Yeah. And they know they can't fix anything. It's not like they think they can fix it. They know they can't. Unbelievable.
That's pretty eye-opening for somebody who really needs help on their computer. When you watch
sad.
people do all these fake shit, it's like, wow.
Well, that was 40 minutes that they didn't rip somebody off, so hopefully we did some good. And it was kind of fun in the process, too.
It was. That was funny. Oh, well.
Like
It
I
was.
respect your love. Did we get that guy's phone number? I'm gonna call him back.
I believe we did, yes.
God, can we post that number? Because we're gonna fucking rip his ass up. Oh, great. He posted it in general chat. He gave me 2 numbers.
Yeah,
That's fantastic.
Donald, we love you. Thank you so much for your services on this. This is great for recording all of that information for us.
Oh, that's good. That was good. Me and V actually are pretty good together and speaking with each other. I found that.
I still think it wasn't as good as last night's, but it'll have to do for now.
It was funny. It was funny.
Last night, V, I don't remember.
Robin, the guy who sounded sad when we fixed the problem, and he just
yeah,
wanted to talk to us all night.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, I think we definitely have something going here. We're gonna have to send DMG that photo of us to put on the desktop for next time.
There was a guy last night. He said he would come fix a computer for absolutely free or something like that. He's like, no, I won't even charge you or something like that, or something. I don't know. Was that Robin? Was that he's like, I'll give to the rich and steal the poor or some shit. I don't know.
Yeah, he said he was named after Robin Hood in the books, and it's like, oh, you know how to read.
Oh, please.
And you were like, oh, I'd love literature too.
Oh, wow. Oh, God.
That was great.
Now, listen, I'm going to bed.
All right, you have a good night.
I'll see you guys.
All right, see you later, Weapon.